The Apple TV remote is simple to use with your TV service. To access the menu, simply press the menu button on the remote control. Use the touch surface to select the guide or other menu items, including shows, movies, DVR, settings, and search. Tap the touch surface to select a menu option, such as guide. To navigate through the menu or guide, utilize the touch surface. Swipe up or down to move through the guide to see programs currently playing. Swipe right on the touch surface to move forward in the guide. Swipe left to go back in time or to access the Replay TV menu to watch shows that have previously aired. Once you have selected a show to watch, tap the touch surface to view it. Your viewing options will appear. Press the select again to play, record, or learn more. If you select a program in the guide that is airing in the future, you can select to record it. When you select play, you can allow it to play, or you can select the option to restart the program. You can channel surf while watching a program. Once in the program, swipe left or right to move one channel in the lineup. Swipe down to reveal menu options. To exit out of a program you selected or screen that you're in, press the menu button and select an option. The play/pause button is used for pausing live TV. Once paused, you can rewind by swiping left, press play to resume. To access the DVR, press the menu button, then swipe right to the fourth icon. Select it to view the DVR recordings. To watch a recording, swipe to the desired program and select it. You can use the pause and play button in the DVR recordings and swipe right and left to fast forward and rewind. In the DVR menu, you may also view your DVR storage. Storage information will appear in the upper right. Next to the DVR hours is the settings icon. Select it to view a variety of settings options. In addition to your device remote, you may also control your TV service from your smartphone. To do so, visit the App Store and download the Apple TV Remote app. We hope you enjoy your TV service. For more information about your remote or service, visit us online or call us today.